Hey lovelies, welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for being here. Without wasting so much of your time, let's make this simple easy cranberry juice in few minutes. So the first thing we're going to be needing here is honey, yes, oranges, and some cranberries. Cranberries are full with antioxidants, and this fruit is underrated in my opinion. You just don't see them at the store the way you see other fruits like apples and oranges. So the first thing we're going to do here is turn in our cranberries in a pot, add some water. Please make sure you put the amount of water that's proportionate to your cranberries, and then leave to boil. While this is boiling, we're just going to be cutting some oranges. I kind of feel cranberries are underrated. As I said initially, cranberries do a lot of things in the body. They help your immune system and whatnot. I'm just going to put a link in the description down below to my personal blog, so you guys can go read the benefits of cranberry juice. I just discovered this fruit, guys, and hey, I am hooked to it. Like anything to stay healthy. Come on, man, guys, you know what I'm saying. Don't mind my orange squeezer. This is what I have. Our cranberries are popping. Yep. And then next thing is to sieve. You have to sieve your cranberries, please. Sieve it so you could get the juice out. Turn in your orange juice and then your honey, and voila, guys, so easy. Our cranberry juice is ready. Just imagine we made this in under less than a minute, or just a minute thereabouts. Serve with ice however you want it, whatever suits you. I don't like ice, so I'm just gonna be having mine like this. Guys, do you see how beautiful this looks? If you want to see more of this type of videos, please remember to hit the like and the subscribe button. It helps my channel. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.